Gattu, Chinky and twins. Today, Gattu Chinky had a plan to go shopping with their mummy papa. That's why everyone gets ready quickly and reaches the mall.
Yay! Today we will enjoy a lot in the mall. Let's go inside quickly, Mama Papa.
Yes, you're right. Let's go, Gattu Chinky. Today I have to do a lot of shopping for home. First of all, we'll go to the departmental store.
Yes, Mummy. I also have to buy a lot of snacks. And me too.
Meaning I'm going to get bored today. Everyone starts laughing and walks inside the mall. Mummy takes everyone and goes to the departmental store and starts shopping. Gattu Chinky start walking behind Mummy carrying a shopping trolley. Just then Gattu notices that a girl is standing in the toys corner.
Wow, these toy cars are so nice. I like cars a lot.
What? Really? Do you like Thar too?
Yes, green Thar is my favorite.
Mine too. And I like Scorpio too.
Yes, look at this. This is a small model of a toy car Thar. It is so cool.
Gattu starts talking to the girl about different kinds of cars. Then suddenly her mother calls her and the child goes to her.
Gattu, yours and that girl's choice of toys are exactly the same. But come, now let's go to the doll section.
Chinky forcibly takes Gattu with her to the dolls section. But both are surprised to see that same girl was standing there too. And she was looking at the dolls.
Hey, you here in the doll section too.
Did you say something to me? Who are you? Hey, you just met us at the cars corner.
Yes, and you liked cars, right? Then these dolls?
What? No, I don't like cars at all. I like dolls, and that too Barbie. And look here, how nice these Barbie's dresses are.
Gattu Chinky get very confused after listening to what that girl just said. Just then Mummy calls them to her.
Gattu Chinky, come here. Where did you both go? And you took the trolley too. Put all the stuff in it so that we can also get the bills made. After this, we have to go to the clothes center.
Gattu Chinky start helping Mummy. And after getting the bill done, both of them come out.
Chinky, this was very strange. Why would that girl have said that she doesn't know us?
Oh, Gattu, maybe her memory is weak. Or maybe she likes both cars and dolls. You let it go. Look, there's the game zone.
Gattu Chinky get very excited after seeing the game zone.
Mummy, Papa, we want to go to that game zone. What? But we have to do the shopping first, kids. You go. You guys can go later.
Later it will be late, Mummy. You are going to take a lot of time in the shopping. You let us go right now, please.
What? Okay then. Papa will take you both to the game zone. Till then I will finish shopping for my clothes. Okay, what do you say?
Yes, that's good. I will take the kids to the game zone. You will also get a lot of good time to shop comfortably. Gattu Chinky get very happy after listening to Papa. And they say excitedly,
Yay, game zone, game zone.
Then Papa takes Gattu and Chinky to the game zone. There were a lot of activities for the kids to do. Tell me, Gattu Chinky, what do you want to do first?
Papa, come let's go in the bumping cars first. It's going to be a lot of fun.
No. First I have to take out a soft toy for myself from the soft toy machine.
No. First bumping cars.
No, soft toy.
Okay, Gattu, take this money. You go in the bumping car. And Chinky, come. I will take out the soft toy with you.
Yes, okay, Papa.
Then Gattu goes and buys the ticket and sits in the bumping car. But then he sees that same girl was sitting in another bumping car. The game starts and all the cars start to bump into each other.
Hey, you here?
Yes, didn't I tell you that I like cars a lot?
Saying this, the girl bumps Gattu's car with her car.
Okay then, take this.
Then Gattu also bumps the girl's car with his car. And both of them start laughing.
It's good that finally you remembered that I had talked to you about cars.
What? What do you mean?
But before Gattu could say anything, the time gets over and the cars come to a stop. Everyone gets out of their cars and starts leaving. In the crowd, the girl is lost again. Gattu quickly comes to Papa and Chinky and then says to Chinky,
Hey Chinky, do you know? I met that car girl.
And we played in bumping cars.
What? What are you saying, Gattu? How can this be possible?
Why? Why can't it happen, Chinky?
Because that girl was with us for a long time on this soft toy machine next door. That too with her papa. She even took out a rabbit soft toy.
Gattu gets surprised hearing this.
No, Chinky, this can't happen. She was really with me in the bumping car.
Okay, so where is she now?
She disappeared in the crowd, but she is not here with you either.
Oh, but she was. If you want to ask Papa. I talked to her too, and her father was also there.
Yes, Gattu dear, I also saw it. You must have had a misunderstanding.
My head is spinning, Papa. Chinky, I had really seen her.
Just then that girl comes from behind and says to Gattu,
This ride was amazing.
By the way, what is your name? See, can you both see? She was in the ride with me. Listen, you tell Papa and Chinky that you were in the bumping cars with me just now.
Yes, I was.
Papa and Chinky get surprised. But before they can say anything, the same girl's twin and her father appear from behind them.
Hey Pihu, I was looking for you since a long time. Where were you? Hey Kuhu, I was also looking for you only.
Pihu Kuhu, both of them stand together. Actually, both were twin sisters and both of them were looking like each other. Seeing them, Gattu and Chinky understood the whole matter.
Oh, so this means that both of you are twins.
So Gattu, we both were right and we got confused because of these twins.
Everyone starts laughing after hearing Gattu Chinky's words. And both the twins introduce themselves to Gattu Chinky.
Hello Gattu Chinky, my name is Pihu and this is my sister Kuhu. I like cars and she likes doll. Yes, and I like soft toys, but she likes going on the scary rides very much.
Chinky, these two looks exactly the same. But if you notice, they are actually entirely opposite.
Yes, Gattu, you are absolutely right. But now let's all of us go in the game zone and enjoy a lot.
Then what? Gattu and Chinky go on a lot of rides with both the twins and enjoy a lot.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.